Hello everyone, Cold Sand Gamer here. So I have a bunch of levels that I still haven't made. Starting from the bottom, we have this one, Annihilate, which is the song on Just Shapes and Beats. It's a cool level. Then we have Gate Rush, a random layout, and it's supposed to be top 5. But as you can see, what is this decoration, bruh? I mean, the layout is not bad. It's not bad in my opinion, but the decoration is really wonky. And then we have Murderbot, which is, I haven't even decorated this because I don't have a decoration style yet. And this is the colors, but it's supposed to be a colorful level with a bunch of these things. And I don't know what to have a decoration style on this yet. And I have this one, which is Cold Sand House, a slaughterhouse X Cosmos style layout, which is obviously impossible. Like, look at this. What is that? And then at the drop, it's very stupid. It's just 4 times wave with a bunch of these impossible timings. Well, not impossible. They're definitely doable, but not doable at the same time because it's impossible. And then we have this, which is Cold Sand Circles. I mean, the length is basically done. It's only 71 seconds long. I even added the game modes to show. And yeah. Then we have Rush Hour, which is a 4 times speed only, and it's not an extreme demon, it's a hard demon. And there's basically just the progress. And the link is also finished. They have Prize Ball, which is the codependent song, in which that every orb had this. It's basically just exasperation type thing. I don't know. Obviously, we have this, which I finished decorating. Roasted. Uh, I mean, this level, it's a Nong song, of course, and it's also fully thing. The link is also done, but the layout is not made yet. They have title Tsunami Wave. What? Yeah, it's just another crap layout. Like, yeah, it's just random. They have Genetic Light, which is the level I'm supposed to be making, but let's just say that this is not top 75. Like, what is that? Like, what is this? Like, this jump is crazy. This is not top 75, bro. They have Fury Wave, which is a top 100 extreme demon. And I'm gonna decorate this. Yes, I am starting it. And the circles are kinda annoying, but this will be finished soon. But I will make a day with extreme demons. So yeah. Also, the link is also finished. They have Last Tile, which is a boss fight with this song on Just Shapes and Beats. It's called Last File, and this is the boss's eye templates. This is the mouth. Say hello to Jasmine. She's cool. and she's gonna be a really difficult boss to encounter. And then I have Nubilius Kyoto. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a top 5. Yeah, it's basically nothing. I haven't touched this yet. I have Conduit. It's a top 5 deal with a boss fight. Passion. Oh, Psycho Girl, which is just Yandere Puppet Show song. And I don't know if I can decorate this. They have this one, which is fat, almost the entire level is 4 times speed, and this is the full song. And it might be top 1 too. Then we have Miku Memorizer, which is a top 1 memory demon. Death Cave. It's an extended list demon. And this one I would like to create this because it has a cool song. It's Through the Gates by Dim Rain 47. You know that. They have Laser Glitch, which is a fast extreme. The Ruthless Wings, which is a healthy top 100. They have Agility, which is not a Aku style, but it's a memory extreme demon. Hotel Hell, haven't really worked on this level yet because it's, also I didn't get the thing yet. This one, Reactor Chen, it's a FNF Friday Night Funkin' mod song. There I have I think this is the last level I'm gonna be making before I quit GD, which is not long. It's gonna be a long time before I quit because obviously I love this game. Never gonna leave this. I'm not gonna quit, of course. Yeah, just some random extreme demon. This one too, I also want to make it because it's another cool song for an extreme demon. It's also gonna be a memory. There I have Eliminate. Just another extreme demon. I think this is gonna be the second half of the Crow, if you know that level. Under maintenance, Neon Zone, which is most likely gonna be a joke top 1 layout. Abysmal Descent. It's not another one of these artificial ascent type levels. They have Hellish Hotel. Another memory one. Star Press, which is press start X, but it's the full layout. This one, Spider Dasher. Yeah, it's another one of these layouts. There you have Blind Dive. It's a memory. I don't know why I put that in the description. They have Gamma Blade, another really cool one, as obviously it's the Human Limit song, which is the piece I worship. And then we have the other 20 levels. We have Downfall, which is an interesting extreme demon. They have Dark Matter, which is the level that I'm remake of my old lost extreme demon, which if you know, you know. Like, the level is basically done. The decoration is also done. I just can't verify it, and I don't have an account yet. And this is also in 2023, so yeah, it's really long. Neon Lights, an interesting one. Demonic Chaos, another interesting Extreme Demon layout. All figured out. Yeah, it's a Doors reference. The Demon. Wow, what an interesting name. They have Highlights, another interesting song. It's a cool song. Obviously, I have Nessus Circles, Heart Attack, which is a it's Heartbeat, but it's a Heartbeat remake. They have Super Democracy. It's another cool one. I was supposed to start this, but I started decorating Heart Attack instead. They have the prequel and remake of the original version of Nessus Circles. Memorization. Full song of the Misanthrope song, Harder Than Bubawamba, and it's also memory. And it's also gonna be randomized. So yeah, they have Galaxy. I mean, decoration is pretty basic. I don't know. Then I would say I have this. I don't know if when I'm gonna decorate Virtual Neon Wave Z. So yeah. Oh, this one. It's a long song, but this one has a cool song though. Obviously made by Gears or really cool artists. Which is a Nong song. Melt Ice Cream It, which is a song by Trap Chick. It's a cool song. They have the sequel to Virtual Neon Wave Z, Airborne Blaster. This one is a really cool song. And then obviously we have this Venitra. They have some other levels that I didn't put on yet, so I'm gonna put this here. Then have the latest level that I'm making, which is a Memory Extreme Demon. I don't know the difficulty of this yet because I'm also gonna decorate this probably soon. It's called Flames of Xanvape. It's cool. So yeah, that's basically all the levels that are in my levels list, which is this one. And they're gonna be really good once I finish decorating Nessus Circles 2 and Heart Attack. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyways, make sure to subscribe. Love y'all. Peace.